Good evening. This is Tina. How are you doing today? I think this is gonna be the last video. It's getting late, and I still need to work tomorrow. Okay, so in this video, we're gonna introduce project this pipeline stage operator, and you can use this project this operator to remove some field from this original document, or you can add new field in the result, or you can change the field name, or you can do some very simple operation on the values in the document. Okay, or you can do is or you can to lowercase or to uppercase, or you can do the add on the numbers. Okay, so let's give you example. Let me give you example. And the difference between project and the group. The group, suppose originally we have 4 documents in our collection. So the result after group will be less than the size of original document, the number. Okay, but with a project, if in the collection I have 4 documents, the result, the output of after the project gonna be exactly still 4. Okay, so suppose this is our collection, okay, which is called the products. Okay, sorry. And in the products collection, we have 4 documents, right? And now I want to using project. I just give you some scenario. Okay, I don't want to the ID. Okay, I want to change the manufacturer, okay, to be the company. How to do that? I also want to the what's the sorry, I also want to have the category. Okay, all the values to be lowercase. How to do that? You using sorry, not right here, db.products.aggregate. Okay, then here we have what's the this one. Sorry, I'm wrong. Here first is the brace, parenthesis, then bracket, and in the bracket we will have our first stage, which is called the project. So here we will do a project. I was wrong. I was thinking it's called, the name is called the projection. So it's only project. Same thing. Okay, column, and you give what you want to change. Okay, so here I don't want to display ID, right? So you're using ID equals 0. 0 means don't show. Okay, and then I want to change the value for the category, right? So I give category, and then the value we will have another one, which is $sign. What's the $sign, which is what's the $sign to lower, right? And then we will have column and $sign category. Okay, like this. And then I will change this to be another one, right? So here I will using company, and the value gonna be $sign manufacturer. Okay, so if I'm done, what's the result? The result gonna be like this. So it will also produce one by one. The first one comes, okay, it will go to this project. ID doesn't show. And if I don't specify name, it won't show name. It will only show what we specified here. Category, which is tablet, the value. 2 lowercase, two lowercase. Okay, then company, and then Apple. Okay, and then it will produce the second one. The second one gonna be category. Okay, category here. Okay, category. Then gonna be lowercase phone. Okay, and then company. Company is Google. Second one, and third one, category. The value is phone. And the company, yeah, the value is Apple. And then we have last one, category. The value is tablet, all lowercase. Okay. And then company, the value is Apple. Okay, so let's see. Let's see in our here, see if it does match or not match. Okay, db.products.aggregate. Okay, call the function and bracket, then this one, and inside of here you can have as many as you want. Project. Okay, project, and what we did here, ID is sorry, what I want to do is this one first. I want to find first. So this is all our documents. Okay, and then we do it. Products.aggregate. Okay, then this one, then this is gonna be the each stage. Okay, for different stage, just using comma separate them. This one is the project, and we give what's the thing? ID is 0. Okay, and we give category, right? Category, what we give? We're using $, which is a function to lower. And we give the value is what? We give the value is the value is this category, $, category, right? And then we have another one, which is after this one, which is the company. What's the value? The value is the manufacturer. Okay, so we are done and run. You will see category, tablet, company, Apple, and the category. And suppose you also want to show the price and the name, you can continue add, say like name is 1. I want to see the name. I also want to see the price. Okay, then you can see price is 1. Then it will, besides these two fields, category, company, it will also have name and the price, like this one. Okay, see, name, price, category, company, right? If you don't specify those, it won't show. Okay, and by default, I think ID, if I remember correctly, ID will show by default. Let's see. Okay, if it's not, then it's not. Okay. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. See, by default ID will show, but see here, I didn't specify the field for ID, name, and price, right? But ID shows. But for others, by default doesn't show. So whatever the structure in your project gonna be that. Okay, ID you have to specify not show if you don't want. Okay, and another thing here, see here, in our original document, how many? 4, right? And after project, you still have 4. Okay, but this is what we did group, right? Group, previously we have 4, but after result gonna be less than the original documents, less or equal than the original the number of documents. So we're using project. If you want to remove, like I don't want to show ID, remove some of the fields, like remove the ID or name or price, right? Or if you want to change the name of the field, like here the field name I call manufacturer, but now I call company, you change it, right? Or you can perform some small function like two lowercase. Previously, our category, the first letter is capital, but in our result, see, all of them are lowercase. Okay, so this is the project, this stage. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.